What is Central Finance? SAP S/4HANA for Central Finance is an SAP S/4HANA system, receiving financial accounting transaction through real-time replication from SAP or non-SAP ERP source system. Central Finance replicates only financial transaction which covers financial accounting transaction, controlling posting and cost objects. Central Finance establishes a central reporting platform for FICO with the option of creating a common reporting structure. The benefits offered by Central Finance are over with various options. They are namely as real-time replication of all banks-related open items into Central Finance provides global bank balances and cash positions as on date. Central Finance offers the ability to drill down information to the source systems and provides full traceability of postings. The universal journal entry of Central Finance is a single dataset across multiple applications. As a result, the time and effort required for reconciliation is reduced to zero. Data is available for instant reporting. Central Finance as an integration point, instead of performing a full logistic and financial migration, simplifies the integration of new entities while offering agility and flexibility. Central Finance Architecture. Central Finance Landscape Architecture contains mainly three systems. The first system is the SAP ERP as the source system where the main business processes run, and FI and CO documents are posted. The second system is the SAP SLT as the integration platform which reads and replicates the FI and CO documents. The third system is the SAP Central Finance as the target system on SAP S/4HANA where the FI and CO documents are reposted. Central Finance is also able to replicate cost objects as prerequisite for the FI and CO postings. Real-time replication in Central Finance. Once FICO documents are stored in the database triggers are written into log tables in the source system. SAP SLT can collect data from the posted documents in the source system in real time and feed it into the corresponding interfaces that Central Finance offers. The replication of core secondary posting documents relies on the table COG as a header table and its subtables, such as COE. For FI documents, the document header table and its subtables, BKPF, BSEZ, etc., are not sufficient. Some other information needed for document posting is no longer available once the document is posted. However, to properly post a document into the Central Finance system, the information is required. That's why the information needed for document posting is stored in tables, with CFIN_HUD being the header table. This information is replicated via the SAP LT replication server to the Central Finance system. The cleanup program RFIN_CFIN_cleanup, which needs to be scheduled regularly, for example, once each month, can delete the temporary information from tables.